Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Stay at home, remain safe from COVID-19. Welcome to online class program of Baishari Secondary School. This is Muhammad Abdul Malik, Assistant Teacher English of this school. Dear students, today I am going to discuss email. What is email? Which things are necessary to send an email? How to send an email? Difference between letter and email, and an example of an email. So dear students, this email or this class is applicable for the students of class 6 to 10. So all of you can attend this class. I think all of you will highly enjoy this class attentively. Dear students, first we should know what is an email. E is for electronic. Mail means message. Email means electronic mail. It is a medium or means of modern speedy communication. Dear students, look at the word. How to send an email. To send an email, first we should know which things are necessary to send an email. First thing, laptop or a smartphone or desktop. Second is internet connection. Third is recipient's email address. Dear students, how to send an email? First, we should open or switch on our laptop or a smartphone or desktop. Then connect with internet. Click on Google. Write yahoo.com in the search bar. Log in your account. Write the recipient's email address in two box. Write subject of your email shortly in subject box. Write text or attach any file in the compose section. Then go down. Click on the send option. Then and there an email will be sent from your personal device. Dear students, there are some differences between letter and email. First difference, letter is written on paper, but email is written on personal device. Second, letter is sent through post office or courier service, but email is sent from a mailbox to another mailbox. In letter, privacy may be hampered, but in email, privacy is strong. Number 4, letter is time killing, but to send an email, we need short time. Letter is expensive, but email is cheap. Letter is a traditional system, email is a modern system. An example of an email, dear students, look at the board. There is an email. First, from Rakib Ahmed @yahoo.com to Sakibul Islam @yahoo.com. Sent 13 September 2020, 12 past 12, 30, 1 second PM. Subject, return the book. you borrowed to eat egg. This subject refers that the sender's friend or another person, that means the recipient, borrowed a book to eat egg, and the sender wants to get the book in return. So he has written in short that, Dear Sakib, cordial love to you. Next news, I read the grammar, book 8, Applied English Grammar by Anisur Rahman. My exam is knocking at the door, so don't forget to return it in the afternoon. With the best wishes to you, your best friend Rakib. Dear students, I think all of you have understood what is an email, what is the difference between letter and email, how to send an email, and which things are necessary to send and receive an email. Dear students, thanks to all of you for attending my English class. See you again in the next class. Thanks to all.